Welcome to Aarti's Education. Today we are going to learn how to solve problem set 52 in the chapter 14 pictograph. So first question is, stocks of various types of grains stored in a warehouse are as given below. Make a pictograph based on the information given. Here the information is given. Let's read it. There are two columns, grain and sacks, and the types of grains are rice, wheat, bajra and jowar. Rice have 40 sacks, wheat have 56 sacks, bajra have 8 sacks and jowar have 32 sacks. The answer of this question, we have to first study the numerical information given. The numerical information is 40, 56, 8 and 32. Let's write here. 40, 56, 8 and 32. Now the next step is find out the factors of all the numbers to be represented. Here when we observe these numbers, we find that all these numbers are comes in the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 fives are 40, 8 sevens are 56 and 8 fours are 32. Here all the numbers are divisible by 8. So now the next step is choose an appropriate scale. So here for scale we are going to choose 1 picture is equal to 8. What is the scale we are going to choose? Right here, scale, SCALE, scale is equal to 1 picture is equal to, here we have to write sacks, 8 sacks. 1 picture is equal to 8 sacks because we are going to divide all these numbers by 8. So these numbers which comes here, they are the number of pictures. These are the number of pictures we have to draw for these numbers. Now the next step is make the right columns for the pictograph. So here we have to draw two columns. In first column we have to write types of grains. Types of grains. And in next column we have to write number of sacks. Number of sacks. Now the next step is make the right columns for the pictograph. We are making this type of columns for pictograph. Below the pictograph write the scale used. Here we write the scale which is used. Scale is 1 picture is equal to 8 sacks. Now look at the information given in the book on page number 81. Here it is. The type of grains are rice, wheat, bajra and jowar. Let's write here the types of grains. Rice, wheat, bajra and jowar. Now we have to draw the pictures. Rice have 40 sacks. So for 40 we are going to use how many pictures? 5 pictures. When we divide 40 by 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40. So here we are going to draw 5 pictures. Let's draw here the pictures of sack. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now for wheat, the number of sacks are 56. Here we have to divide 56 by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 sevens are 56. So here we are going to draw 7 pictures of sacks. Let's draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now for bajra, there are 8 sacks of bajra. So we are going to draw only one picture for it, because it is our factor here. Next is jowar. There are 32 sacks. So let's divide it by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 fours are 32. So here we are going to draw only 4 pictures for this. It's easy and convenient to find the factors. So can we draw easily? This is our pictograph for first question. Types of grains and number of sacks. Now the next question is information about the various types of vehicles in Vadgaon is given below. Make a pictograph for this data. Types of vehicles are here, and here are number of vehicles. Bicycles 84, automatic two-wheelers 60, four-wheelers, cars or jeeps 24, heavy vehicles, truck, bus, etc. 12 and tractors 24. By using this information, we have to make a pictograph. So let's make a pictograph here. First of all, we have to look at the numerical information given. This is our numerical information, that are numbers. Let's find the factors which is divisible all these numbers. Observe these numbers carefully. When we observe them, we find that they all come in the table of 12. So let's divide it by 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 fives are 60. 12 sevens are 84. And 12 twos are 24. So while dividing, we get our number of pictures. These are our number of pictures we have to draw for it. So type of vehicles, here you can choose a picture which is convenient to you. You can draw like this, or you can draw vehicles also like this. Which picture is suitable and convenient for you, you can choose it. Okay. Here we will draw 7 pictures for bicycles, automatic two-wheelers 5 pictures, four-wheelers 2 pictures, heavy vehicles 1 picture, and tractors 2 pictures only. So let's make our pictograph here. For it, we have to make 2 columns like this. Make 2 columns, and let's write here types of vehicles. Types of vehicles, and we have to write here number of vehicles. Now write here scale scale is one picture is equal to 12 vehicles, because we divide these all numbers by 12. Look here, we divide it by 12. So we are going to choose one picture for 12 vehicles. Now let's write the types of vehicles here. Types are bicycles, bicycles, bicycles. Then automatic two-wheelers, automatic two-wheelers. Then four-wheelers, car or jeeps. The next is heavy vehicles. That are truck, bus, etc. And the next one is tractors. Now let's draw here the pictures for our vehicles. Bicycles have 84 in number and we have to draw 7 pictures for it. Let's draw here 7 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now automatic two-wheelers are 60 and we have to draw 5 pictures for it. Let's draw here 5 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now four-wheelers, that are cars and jeeps, we have to draw 2 pictures for it. Let's draw here 2 pictures. 1 and next one is 2. Now heavy vehicles, which includes truck and bus, etc. So we have to draw 1 picture for it because they are 12 in numbers. So let's draw here 1 picture for it. And tractors, we have to draw 2 pictures for it. So this is our pictograph for second question. Now let's read this third question. The question is, the numbers of the various books kept in a cupboard in the school library are given below. Make a pictograph showing the information given. Here are the types of books, that is science, sports, poetry, literature and history, and the numbers are 28, 14, 21, 35 and 7. So first of all we are going to observe this numerical data and let's find our factor here. When we observe, we find that these all numbers 28, 14, 21 and 35 are comes in the table of 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35, 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14 and 7 4s are 28. So here we have to draw 4 pictures for science, 2 pictures for sports, 3 pictures for poetry, 5 pictures for literature, and 1 picture for history. So let's draw here. Our scale is 1 picture is equal to 7 books. So let's draw 2 columns for it like this. Here we have to make 2 columns, that is types of book, and number of books. Let's write here the types. Science, SCIENCE, science. Sports, poetry, POETRY, poetry. Literature, then history. These are the types of books. Now let's write here scale. Scale is equal to 1 picture is equal to how many books? 7 books. 1 picture is equal to 7 books. So how many books of science? There are 28 books and we have to draw. There are 28 books and we have to draw 4 pictures for it. So let's draw 4 pictures of book here. While drawing, you should use pencil. One, two, three, and 4. So we draw 4 books for science. Now sports, how many books we have to draw? Only 2 books. Let's draw it. Now poetry, for poetry there are 3 pictures of books and the number is 21. So we draw only 3 pictures. 1, 2 and 3. Now for literature we have to draw 5 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 pictures of books. And for history there are 7 number of books and we have to draw only 1 picture for it. Let's draw here 1 picture of history. So these are the pictographs. For it, first of all we have to analyze the numerical information given, study it very well, then find out the factors of all the numbers which to be represented, then choose an appropriate scale for it, choose an appropriate symbol. This is a symbol like we draw here for book. This one is called symbol. Then make a right columns for the pictograph like this, and here we have to write the scale. So this is our problem set 52. Hope you understand. Take various type of questions at your own choice and draw such type of pictographs. Practice it very well and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.